Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the exact motherboard model and the current BIOS version, so you fetch the correct update. This avoids bricking. Once identified, back up important data and create a disk image or restore point to revert if needed. Next, prepare a FAT32 USB drive and copy the BIOS file and utilities provided by the vendor. Make sure the laptop battery is above 50% and plugged into a stable power source. Do this now to prevent interruptions during flashing. You will reboot straight into the UEFI or run the vendor update utility from Windows, whichever the manufacturer recommends, because some tools handle ECP and NVMe safely. Once in the updater, point it to the BIOS file on the USB and verify the checksum if one exists. This confirms file integrity. Then initiate the flash. Watch progress bars and status messages. Do not power off, hibernate, or remove the USB. The updater may restart multiple times. That's normal and necessary. You finish by letting the machine complete its restarts, then enter UEFI and load optimized defaults to ensure stability. Next, reapply any custom settings like boot order or XMP. Once booted to the OS, confirm the new BIOS version in system information to verify success. If the system fails to boot or shows corruption, use the vendor's BIOS recovery method, often a special USB file name or key combo, and keep a recovery USB ready. This single troubleshooting move typically restores a failed flash without replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.